Let's see if we could make our folks on the balcony from half a kilometer away. Now we're going to test how well these bad boys do in low light condition. And as you can tell, this is pretty shaded woodland and a bird on top of the branch. I'll say 30 yards. And everything is right now in the clip is at the minimum distance of 200, 250 yards. I almost missed that. And it seemed as if we were about to have the clash of the titans. They're backing up. "30 yards. And the kids over there, it's like 100 yards maximum. A cyclist at a distance of 200 yards away. "200 yards. Those triplets over there are minimum of a kilometer and a half maximum. I'm having a hard time focusing on that, but I guess the next one should be good. Family time. And the tower and the building down there should be 300, 400 yards away. And the building once again. See if we could make out this couple hanging out on the bench down there. Yep, could see them. Could see them clearly. Fountain, 300 yards away. Hope it doesn't escape this time. 30 yards. And that monument in front of us is about 200 yards away. Got the little statue. Or fountain, so to speak. Yeah, 200 yards. And these are my type of scenario where I like experimenting with the Nikon Action EX. And I believe the building at the background is about, should be around a kilometer, if not more, away. Remember the triplet from a while ago? Now we're like 200, 300 yards away from them. And now there should be no issues trying to focus on them. And over there at a distance of about 200 yards is an outdoor bed parlor. I believe without any issues, you can make out the face of the people sitting down there. Yards. It's an outdoor gym right there. 250. $150 yards or 200 yards maximum. $250. And see what I got. Oh. That's some 20 yards away. And can you make out the little letterings on the wall? If you can't, it should help. 150 yards. You see that communications tower? Something around 200 yards. And someone on their skates some 200 yards away. Now let's see if we could make out what is written on that building 5 kilometers away from here. That skyscraper right there. Anybody decided to join the company. Five kilometers. And normally these are the type of scenario I like shooting at, because a situation where you get a complete separation between the object and the ground, and of course the background as well. That way you get a better 3D effect. $150 yards.